Hey, it's nice to see you again, Biter. So today's special English bite. The difference between this and that, these and those. So let's get going. Right, so this is a beach. Quite lovely, I would say, with its sand, its trees, its crystal water and boats. Of course, this is a boat. Oh, there are more. That is a boat too. But wait. This boat? That boat? What's the difference? Well, remember that. It all comes to distance. If it's near, this is a boat. If it's far, that is a boat. Easy, right? But wait, what about these and those? Well, I would say it's pretty much exactly the same. It all comes to distance again, but not with one, but two or more boats. So these boats, when they are near, those boats, when they are far. So this and that with one, these and those with two or more, but always depending on the distance. Right, so something else important to remember? Well, yes, the different pronunciation between this and these. The second one is long, like these. The first one is short, like this. So, is it that easy? Of course, weiter. One and near, this. Two and near, these. One and far, that. Two and far, those. English is easy, right? If you think so, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next English Bite. Sayonara, biters.